Hi, my name is Andrii Shramko. Will show you this is a new version of my extremely light and compact one-axis gimbal. It's a great solution for a drone if you don't want to use a heavy gimbal like Mojo Guru. You can put it on a damper and use this compact gimbal. This gimbal can be powered from any source. I use 4S battery now for it. Also, it's possible to use it in a standard mode if you need to shoot from in motion. It can turn any times around the center axis because there is no virus which can be broken. This is how the gimbal look like. This is extremely low weight XT60 connector motor with an encoder and power button on off. If the weight distributed perfectly, it can handle, for example, 6.5 kilo. But be careful because this weight is too much for this small motor.